Hi guys, in today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make Punjabi style Rajma masala, which is going to be Jain, and along with that I'll be showing you how to make Jeera Rice, which is going to be super simple and easy. So let's begin. So in a pan I have taken some oil and I have added some jeera and some bay leaf. Okay, after this I have added some green chilli. And after this I am going to add turmeric, coriander powder and some Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder is super essential over here because it gives a nice color. So make sure you add Kashmiri red chili powder only. I'm just going to mix it. I'm going to turn off the gas so the red chili doesn't burn. And right after this I'm going to add cashew paste. So however made cashew paste is by soaking around 6 to 7 cashew in hot water for 15 minutes and I've grinded into a paste. And after this I'm going to add tomato puree. I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to let it cook, okay? Let it cook for around 8 to 9 minutes till the oil separates. To make the cooking faster, I'm just going to add a lid and allow it to cook on low flame. And meanwhile, I'll show you how I have soaked the rajma and I have pressure cooked it for 4 to 5 whistles. And guys, this should be this soft, okay? And after 8 to 9 minutes, now you see the oil is nicely separated. And now I'm going to add the rajma with the water and I'm going to let it cook again. Okay, after this I'm going to add some fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi and some garam masala. Garam masala is very essential when you're especially making Jain food. Garnishing this up with some coriander leaves and I have added some lemon juice as well. I'm just going to mix it for one last time, and if you feel that this is a little liquidy, then what you can do is you can take a potato masher and just mash the beans so the consistency kind of improves. But make sure this is not too thick, okay, because you're having this with rice and it has to be a little liquidy. Okay, so roughly I've gone around and I've just mashed it a little bit. And now again I'm going to cover this with a lid for another 5 minutes. I'm going to allow it to cook and we'll see the consistency. I'll just show it to you. You see how perfect this looks, guys. This is what we want. Alright, now our Rajma masala is ready. Switching on to Jeera Rice, and for here I have taken some ghee and I'm going to put some cumin seeds. You can take even butter or ghee works super well. And once they are spluttering, I am going to add the rice. This is basmati rice, guys. You can use your normal rice. Adding some fresh coriander. And then adding some salt. And we are done. Our Jeera rice is ready, and now I am going to show you how to assemble it. And our Rajma rice is ready, guys. Rajma masala is usually served with rice. You can also team it up with roti. And for all my non-Jain friends, you can definitely add some onions and you can also add some mint coriander chutney and you can enjoy this. While I enjoy my favorite combo, you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and many more such recipes coming up your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, bye.